Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the process of making some some shower steamers, and I just wanted to show you just a itty bitty. This is just not for my website, not for my web store. This is for personal use. So I just wanted to show you like the things you need to get if you would like to make some shower steamers for yourself. So this is just like a quick one too. I already made some and I was like, oh, let me show you guys. So let me turn this camera so you can see. You will need some citric acid. You can find this in Walmart. If you have like an ice tray, you could do that too. Or if you have a mold, or hi sis, some essential oils. You ready? And some baking soda from Walmart, some bowls, and this is how it's looking so far. You know, so these are the little ones that I made already. So I'm gonna show you how I do the rest. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover for this portion. I have in the bowl the citric acid and also the baking soda, and right here you can see me adding a little bit of rubbing alcohol. It doesn't matter if you have the white one or the green one. I had the green one on hand, and or you can even use some witch hazel if you have that, and just mix everything together with the alcohol. And when it gets to the consistency of feeling like wet sand, not overly saturated, but just like wet sand, when you put it in your hand together in a ball like that, and then you drop it in the bowl and it doesn't break apart, then you know it's ready for you to put in the mold. And like I said, I'm using this as for personal use. So I have molds that I use, but I'm just showing you guys that you could use what you have. If you don't have a mold, you don't have to go and purchase one. You could just use an old ice tray. And because you're using the essential oils, remember to use it for just this purpose and not to use it for ice, because you don't want to reuse this as your regular ice tray because of the essential oils. So yeah, because you don't want to ingest the essential oils. So just use that as a as just for your steamers. And if you have like food coloring, you could drop a little bit in there if you want it to be color, but you don't have to color them. Or if you have some mica, you could use that. And then here I am just pressing it down in the ice tray and get it all firm. Once everything is in and it feels really firm and packed, you have to pack it in, but don't overpack it because you don't want to squish it all the way down. So I hope I am explaining it for you guys. And what I do is you can leave them here in the mold or the ice tray overnight, or you could unmold it the same day and then leave it to dry. And once it's fully dried and rock hard, then the next day you can use it in your bathroom. But when you make them, don't use them the same day because they won't be hard enough, if that makes sense. So you have to wait at least 24 hours for them to be fully dried and you can use them. So now I'm going to just get a paper towel, put it on the table, and just turn it over and lightly tap it, and then everything's supposed to just pop right out. So guys, this is how they came out, looking perfect, beautiful. Use one or two of these in the shower. So this one is eucalyptus and this one is sweet orange. I have another batch that I made with lemongrass. So I will leave all the information for you in the description box below, and I'll also put a link to maybe to I'll leave everything for you. Don't worry. I'll hook you up. What else I was gonna say? I was wearing gloves because I have my nice manicure done by my girl Yaya. So anyway, if you have your nice manicure like this, wear some gloves. Other than that, you can use your hands if you're making them for yourself. If you're making them to sell or give to your friends and relatives, always wear gloves, clean up the area. Sanitization is key before you do that. So you can sanitize when it's for you too, but I'm just saying you don't have to wear gloves if you don't want to. But if you have a manicure, because the citric acid mixed with the baking soda will take these off in 5 seconds, and they are too pretty for me to get it messed up. That's why I put them on. So these are for my personal use, and I'll leave a link to my website where you can buy the ones that I do make for purchase. Okay, so let me turn this camera around. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something from the making of the shower steamers, and if you like more videos like this, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know. And let me know if you like it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not been subscribed to my channel. And for all my oldies and goodies, baddies out here, now that they are finally ready to be used, I store them in an airtight container. If you don't have one like this and you have a mason jar, once it's an airtight container, it will keep the scent all locked in until you're ready to use. So I hope you enjoy this DIY, and I hope you guys try it out for yourself and enjoy some self-care pampering when you're taking your shower. Bye.